Good morning. I wanted to show you one of the trees that's in my yard. It's a sugar maple, and I think it's the most beautiful tree this time of year. My daughter-in-law loves it, and her name is Jane, so I named it the Jane tree. She'll come over here a lot of times every year and put the kids in up here. Look how pretty it is to make a picture. You can make a picture of them in the tree. And we love this tree, and look at how many leaves have already fell. I hesitate to get my yard man to mow these leaves up because I enjoy them so much. This tree is probably about 50 years old. I planted it about 45 years ago. It was probably about 4 or 5 years old when I planted it. Now, this yard has 62 trees in it, and I planted all of them when I built this house. And most of them in the front are willow oaks. We have 4 of these sugar maples, and I have always loved them. We have 4 or 5 magnolias, 2 or 3 different kind of oak trees. You come out here and you feel like you almost have an umbrella over you. The tree's also a lot of trouble to keep up. It's, I tell everybody, it's almost like having a bunch of babies. This magnolia is a grandiflora. It has the big white bloom, and it's also shedding its cone that with its seed, and they're really messy. I love these trees, but they are messy. So we have to pick these up every week too until this part of the shedding is over with. This is the other big magnolia we have, and we have 3 more in the backyard. They're not as big as these magnolias, but you can see how pretty the oak tree is back behind it there too. It's beautiful this time of year. You know, the magnolia is the Mississippi state tree. It grows in the wild a lot there. I gotta rake these things up again. This is another type of magnolia tree. It's a Soulangeana magnolia. A lot of people call it a tulip tree, but it's one of the first trees that blooms in the spring, and it has lots of blooms on it. So I enjoy that tree too. It's right outside my kitchen window where I can see all this. No, that's all, I think. That's all? I think so.